we have a 2017 GMC Terrain SLE model to show you. It has 10,000 miles and comes with balance of the factory warranty. If you look, see it does have a nice chrome bezel around the black grille insert, big red GMC badging. It does have a high definition chrome backed headlights and the driving lights. Bring it around the side, you see it does have the 6-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin rubber. They are 18-inch tire and wheel. Tires are real good on there. They're 3/4 tread, maybe a bit better. And you see the badging there on the door telling you that it is a Terrain. It does have the roof racks and the satellite antenna on the back. If you look at the interior, you'll notice it is a pretty nice two-tone interior, mix of dark and light. It's kind of a gray and black mixture. It does have the black carpets, two-tone seats. That does have the split seats, split buckets with center armrest / console. You will see it does have the Pioneer sound system, and that color combo folds up onto the door off the dash. And from the badging, you'll see it is the SLE all-wheel drive model. And you get the bench style seat here in the back. Lots of room back here. You have a center console there on the bottom. There's a plug to plug in your accessories. And if you need to access the rear from in here, these seats fold down like that. And they also slide forward and back. There's a center switch there, a knob that you pull in the middle. It does have the center fold down armrest / cup holder. Rear tires and wheels, same rubber all the way around 3/4. Bring you around the back again, you have your Terrain badging, all-wheel drive. Got some nice chrome trim across the bumper. You have the nice chrome exhaust tip. Does have rear defrost, rear wiper of course. Rear backup cam, which is mounted under here. And you have quite a bit of cargo space in the back of these. You have a big speaker over there. You have power source back here. You have 2 nice deep cubby holes on either side to store things. And if you fold this up, you'll see your tire and wheel, spare, jacks back there, all your tools, all your goodies if you were to get flat along the road. Everything's back there to fix it and get you going again. Give me a look at this side. Real nice color on the exterior of this thing too. It's like a metallic gunmetal gray almost with a little metal flake in it. And we'll look at the driver's door. You see your power locks, windows, and mirrors are all located there. It does have the power seat. Crawl inside. And I will light the dash up for you. And you will notice the cruise control is right here on your steering wheel. Your voice command, your audio settings, all that's on his steering wheel also. And you can see the current mileage there is 10,074. And your AM, FM, XM radio. Your display screen is there. All your controls are just below that. Then you have your heating and air conditioning controls, of course, and your heated seats. Control those right there. Nice to have on a cold morning. And your automatic gear shift selector, which if you choose to shift it manually, you have the option with that button on top of the gear shift. You also have the economy button, which will help you with a little bit of better fuel mileage if you're running in that mode. Traction control. You have a nice deep center console way down, way deep in there. And if you look at the bottom, you have a USB and an auxiliary port in there to plug your devices into. And overhead here you have your interior lighting controls. And this is a nice clean vehicle. No pet smell, no smoke smell. We're going to go ahead and fire up the engine and give you a look out under the hood. You'll see under there, nice clean engine bay. It does have the 2.4 liter EcoTech engine. Real good low motor. Get pretty amazing fuel economy with it. For being a small displacement size, you'd be surprised. It really doesn't lack power. These newer 4-cylinders are pretty impressive. They get you the fuel economy that you're looking for, and you really don't sacrifice much on power loss. Look at it all lit up there in the front. And the last thing I'm going to do is walk you around this terrain one more time and see if we can point out any blemishes. In case any of y'all are interested in coming in to take a look, we can kind of point out anything that we notice so you won't be surprised when you come out to look at it. I will tell you though, it is pretty clean inside and out. I don't really expect to find a whole lot. One nice thing they did with these terrains is they put this plastic strip across the top of the back bumper. Because it used to be that was painted on most SUVs, still is on a lot of them. What would happen is you would pull your luggage or whatever you have in there out across that bumper and it would scratch it. That plastic piece that they put on there, that really saves that from happening. Really not a lot to show you on here. There are a couple little tiny stone chips across the chrome strip here at the front of the hood. Other than that, it's pretty darn clean. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe know somebody that is, or like to take it a test drive, feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. 717-485-4224. Or look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thanks.